Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Bakremen pat. Bapinom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Superintendent of Police ka East Khas Hills upa Vivex EM ulay thu baka daw jong ka Jingïoh Jamin jong Sonam Regavanchi kadai baka dan ka Jing Bakla hakilai Tylli kikot hakapor baki Pulit kikiam pada kacaka bantho 103 BNSS ki Pulit ki tho panban daka 403 BNSS pada haka BNSS uloong bakam judan ka 403 Henry uloong baka Sonam hadu mantaru kadang don hasilong berkalej syak hajar bakhot yaka berkajing bishar benya yakani kamu kot duma kadang ya chakmat.
Well, see, this is an incident which happened in Ghazipur on the spur of the moment when that arrest was made. So 2 officers had gone from here, and multiple teams had gone from here to different places. And there were teams in Madhya Pradesh. There was this one team and 2 teams in UP, and this one team in Ghazipur. So on that date, these people made the clerical error when they made the arrest memo. 3 documents they had instead of putting 103, they put 403. So there's no 403 in BNSS, and it is a clerical error for which she has got bail. And yes, she is abiding with the conditions of bail. She is here, and she's appearing for all evidences, all hearings which actually the court has called for. Nonetheless, the trial will go on, and this is of course just a setback in the investigation, but it's we have not lost the war. So let us look at the trial, and we will actually look forward to a fair trial, and that we receive conviction for her.
The Supreme Court asking to provide the papers of arrest and other legal documents. Has that already been sent forward, or?
Yes, we have sent the documents to the Advocate General.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.